Welcome back, it's me, Jake. We are here in my friend's studio, Moody Darkroom. He let us borrow his beautiful setup for the day. I had a bunch of ideas up here that I wanted to bring to life. I'm gonna be shooting some film, some camcorder, some cool digital photos. I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride for all of it. This is our look number one. Gonna be this like crazy top down. I'll show you guys the mood boards here. It's a bunch of different ideas that we have that I think could be really rad. We got Mars over there getting ready. She's gonna come out and slay it. And then, yeah, looking forward to it. Other than that, just have some fun, experiment, make some cool shit. Sounds good. Yes.
Hi, my name is Mars, and I have a quart of lube in my hair.
She's not lying about that either. There's a lot. This is our first look. This is our amazing model today. This already looks insane, and I'm very excited to take photos. Yeah, thank you for being here. Cool. Cool. And then reach up to the light. And then do like an actual twirl. So sick. Epic. And then have the fabric moving around you, and then we'll do one where you're actually spinning like with it as well. Perfect. Ready? Cool. So you're gonna keep that right hand up, lean back, and then just this left hand moving a lot. Yep, just like that. Again. Easy.
That's perfect.
Look here. Okay, you can just pose up normal now. Sick. Hold that, hold that. That's dope. So the other eye can see the camera, yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna get down on the floor with you. And then, perfect. Cool, that's good. We are on to look number two. So Mars is changing. And then Zach had this brilliant idea to do kind of like a silhouette situation. So we have this softbox behind us that's gonna kind of like silhouette everything. But then we have a white kind of fill bounce light. So the light is going to bounce off that, kind of fill the front, and then we have a catch light for her eyeballs behind that so that you get like these cool dots in her eyes. And then we're changing outfits too, so it's gonna be like a darker outfit with like a chainmail corset situation. But I think this one's gonna be really cool. I'm so stoked on the photo we already got. So sick. I'm gonna stand up. I don't wanna block this too much, but there we go. So dope. Oh. Off over here, Mars. Okay, cool. I think we should do the top down. Yeah. They're so sick. Okay, open up. I want to see the do like what you were doing before, kind of like lean forward with it. Yep, exactly. These are more just straight, dead on, classic. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Let's do that same one more time. And then close your eyes. So dope, dude. Okay, so now we're gonna do, I'll show you the reference, a little bit of movement stuff. So this is the vibe we're going for, this kind of stuff, right? Cool. So what you're gonna do is my camera is gonna be super slow shutter, so it's gonna grab any motion. So if you're static for a second and then you move, you're gonna get like, the arm's gonna be blurry, but your body will kind of stay still. So it'll be like standing, moving, just like that kind of fluid moment. Grab your dress, throw it up. You can like twirl a little bit. So similar to what we did before, but just like do like a little stand, move. Yeah. Stand, move, yep, stand, move, stand, move, stand, move. So sick, so sick, so sick. And then do one where you, yep, here, and then do one like movement, step to the side type of thing, yep. A little bit of dancing going on here. Stick, step, move, and then open up your, so I can see the armor. Yep, boom, boom. Okay, now just do your thing. Twirl around, get crazy with it. Woo! Okay, I wanna do a couple more detail without the blur. Before I do that though, let's do a full spin. Yes. Hold that. So now we are switching to our third look. We're flying through this. We have shot for almost 2 hours and we're kind of crushing it. Very happy with the stuff we're getting. Right now we're switching to we're gonna do some cool like hair on the face look. And then we're also gonna do like a cloth draped over the face, get kind of creepy, weird with it. But the stuff we've already got is incredible. I'm stoked. Mood board is, we're checking things off as we're going through it. Yeah. Reach towards the camera. Crazy. And then look up a little bit if you can too. Yeah. The first dress we were in, you did like reaching towards the sky type of thing. We're gonna do that again, kind of like moving around, twirly, ethereal, like looking up. Yep. And I'm gonna be down here, okay? Go for it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yep. Do it again where it comes across your face. Yep. Bring your right hand up. Yeah, right there.
That's so great.
Let's get in the mirror. Okay, do it again. Walk up, touch it. So you're gonna move this way more? Trying to figure out how the best way to do this. Yeah, right there. Crazy. Okay. And then you bring your hand up a little bit. Sick. So, one eye here, yep. Dude. I think turn towards the light a little bit more. Yeah, so you're not even gonna be looking at me, I don't think. Yeah.
Nuts. Oh, that's so cool.
I think we just finished our shoot. We did it in like 2 hours. We shot 3 looks, 3 different lighting setups.
Yeah.
We kind of popped off. I'm very excited to go through the photos, see what they look like. Mars, thank you so much
Thank
for
you so much.
being the best. Zach,
This
thank
was
you for
amazing.
shooting everything and helping with so many great ideas. And yeah, thanks for being here. Thanks for doing it.